Welcome back to Adventure and Repeat. It's glad to see you came back for this next part of the series. So, if this is your first time here, make sure you can like, subscribe, comment on the video, tell us what you think. Tell us what you think about the series, and make sure to stick around. We got more great content coming. So, this part of the series, we would normally pull the weights off the floor would be beautiful, and we would just put the bed back together. But that is not what we're doing this time. So, we are actually going to reinvent the front end of the camper. So normally with the bed just going in a standard position right in the middle, that worked. It was okay, but we were running into space issues. So what we're going to do, instead of putting it back together, we're going to change it and turn the bed sideways. We're going to have the headboard up against this wall right here. So the outlet and the inverter controllers are still active, and it works just fine for us. What that will do is create more walkway right where I'm standing, so we have more room for changing and things like that, and give us a little bit more space to move around. We'll still have storage underneath the bed. We may just have to move the inverter just slightly just to make room for it. But turning the bed sideways, we'll push it further up against the front wall. It works for us, so that's what we're going to do with this next series coming out about reinventing the front end of the camper. So stick around, subscribe, follow us. Got great content coming.